A very warm welcome to all the blooming young minds on the very first day of the induction program of GL Bajaj Institute of Management and Research, Greater Noida. You are signing into a great place. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. With these words, I, Radhika Malhotra, Program Chairperson, on behalf of GLB IMR team, feel honored and privileged to welcome a promising audience today to the 14th induction program of PGDM Batch 2020-22 on the theme Corporate Expectations and Insights for Aspiring Managers Post-COVID-19 from September 7 to 11, 2020. We can see the face of tomorrow's India among each one of you in this spark, which you are showcasing in your eyes, the smile which you are reflecting today. We take this opportunity to share GL Bajaj Institute of Management and Research, Greater Noida, since its inception in the year 2007, has created a benchmark of delivering quality management education. Continuing with the same spirit of excellence, it gives us immense pleasure to inform you that we are organizing a comprehensive induction program of 5 days to educate you about the environment of GLB IMR so that you adjust to the new roles and take up the new journey and connect with each other in a better way. Here, I would now request our IT team and Professor Arpana to take us through the 360-degree virtual tour and achievements along with the campus life of our beautiful campus, having panoramic green surroundings, elegant landscaping, and beautiful flower beds. GLB IMR has a state-of-art modern infrastructure with all the latest facilities. So here we go.
As you embark on a new journey, keep an open mind. You never know what could be until you try. A brand new adventure begins to unfold on your way, so come and grab it. We congratulate and welcome all the budding managers, students of PGDM Batch 2020-22. We are counting on you to make this your best year at GLB IMR, and yes, we are here to facilitate you every step of the way. I hope you all would agree that the location of an institute has an enormous significance and it should be set up in a suitable atmosphere. It should be far away from the noises and the polluting atmosphere where the students can easily absorb learnings and the ambience of GLB has very well taken care of this. We don't want to leave any stone unturned to let you experience, visualize, and understand your institutes. For this, we would like to take you through an exhilarating virtual tour of the GLB IMR. Let's have a glimpse of GLB IMR and enjoy the ambience view. This is a spectacular view of GL Bajaj campus. This sprawling campus is lush green and welcoming. Huge green sports ground for your outdoor sports, football and cricket. Maintain your lifestyle, network, your physical and mental well-being. The modern architecture buildings with multiple blocks and departments. This is a rapture view of your institute. Fascinating campus. And yes, we take pride with the tallest and the biggest national flag in Greater Noida unfurled in GLB IMR. This is the outer view of the campus. You have a very good connectivity with availability and conveyance and transport. You can see the mesmerizing complete view of the campus. In one go, so gripping. This is spellbind infrastructure, extensive infrastructure for academic and non-academic pursuits of the students. And there you go. And there you go with the enthralling inner walls of your PGDM block. We have classes and you can see these are your classes. Conference room, and this is your lobby outside of your classroom. The institute has an impressive and pollution-free campus with panoramic green surrounding, elegant landscaping, and beautiful flower bird. This is a night view of your campus. This is your PGDM block. And yes, alluring cafeteria for your refreshments and recreation provisions for table tennis, pool, and other indoor activities. A good infrastructure with good spaces make it a good place for holistic development. They have ensured the student-friendly ambience and a lot for you. Your campus, your institute. Now we are taking you to another journey where you will meet the visionary leaders of JLBIMR and how JLBIMR's incessant efforts in imparting quality education and transforming aspirants into industry-ready professionals has been crowned and acknowledged at national and international platforms with highly prestigious and glorifying awards.
Success is our destiny. We choose our own path. We put in work and do it.
Once again, a front view of your campus. Our chairman, Dr. Ramkishore Agarwalji, with the vision of the institute. Shri Pankaj Agarwalji, visionary leader, vice chairman of JL Bajaj Group of Institution. Dr. Ajay Kumar Sir, director, with our values of the institute. Different two campuses and 19 years of proven excellence record. Established in India 1997, the JL Bajaj Group of Institution with 9 campuses, and you can see all the campuses which come under the group of institutions. Proud moments where VC Sir has been accorded with Rashtriya Shiksha Ratan Award. JLBIMR is highlighted among top business schools all over India by survey conducted by famous research organization. And here you can see Mr. Pankaj Agarwal is receiving award from Honorable Minister of Education, Sri Lanka. Ranked 97th among top B school survey 2016 by Business World. And we had conducted research conclave, certain glimpse of, and yes, one of the most proud moment for all of us, former President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam Sir, visited our campus. Our former President, Pranab Sir, receiving award and from Dr. Farooq Abdullah, ASSOCHAM Award for the Best Institute Innovation to JLBIMR. First rank for Best B School in Industry Interface. Ranked 16th in Delhi NCR and 33rd in North India as per latest IRF ranking 2020. Achievements like this will motivate us to strive together to achieve zenith of excellence in management education. And renowned Business World magazine also acclaimed the institute dedication, and JLBIMR ranked 29th in Delhi NCR and 41 in North India under overall ranking. And with great pride, we share our latest achievement, the esteemed CSR award. So you can see the fun-filled life of the students, the view of your auditorium, the infrastructure of this auditorium. You can see well-stocked library, providing you resources. Your classroom is spacious, fully air-conditioned and ICT-enabled with 24 hours backup. This is again a second auditorium that we have. EIT lab for your projects and practice sessions. Computer labs is well equipped with computing resources to cater to your academic needs of the students. Cafeteria and canteen, the food court, the students' favorite haunt. Also, the institute has its own canteen which serves healthy and nutritious food to its students. Your indoor sports facility, enjoy your leisure time with your friends and enjoy the life fullest along with the academics. We take care of your fitness, so modern gym. Hostel, we are fortunate in being able to assist you for secured accommodation. Certain achievements and recognition to Dr. Ajay Kumar Sir, Director JLBIMR, and lot of, you can see the fun and glowing faces of JLBIMR students who learn their free will, reinvent themselves and create milestone in life. So dear students, get ready to open your wings and fly. Let's give it a thumbs up, everyone. We hope you all enjoyed the tour of your institute, and yes, we wish to see you all very soon in your own institute. We are sure this will happen soon. We are here throughout to guide you as you become the best version of yourself. Your PGDM experience will be what you make it, and your opportunity will only be limited by the limits you place on yourself. And yes, supporting you would always be central to our mission at GLBIMR. Thank you so much. Now I would request Professor Radhika to please take the session ahead.
Right. So students, you must have had the mesmerizing feeling and the experience of having the virtual tour in front of your eyes. So from here, I would like you to stay erect and wait for the formal welcome from GL Bajaj Institute of Management and Research. Professor Saurabh and the IT team would request you to play the welcome video, please.
Priyam Bharat Bharatam Priyam Bharat Bharatam Swagatam Shubha Swagatam Atha Swagatam Shubha Swagatam.
A very good afternoon to the lovely audience. I welcome you on behalf of GLBIMR team to the induction program, Corporate Expectations for Aspiring Managers for Post-COVID-19. Now, let me take you to the inner world of GL Bajaj Institute of Management and Research. Hey, come in. The very front area of GL Bajaj. This is our lived area. Here you go for your classes.
Thank you. So from here, we would like to emphasize that in GL Bajaj, curriculum development and teaching methodologies are abreast with the demand of the economic environment in which students needs to be versatile and future ready. We urge the young generation to always remember 3 Ps, that is pride, power of your dreams, and perseverance. You will all experience this all in 2 years, starting of the very first day of induction program for the PGDM batch 2020-22. Taking it forth, it's so rightly said that leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. And it is my great honor to introduce our inspiration and the man behind the inception of GL Bajaj Educational Institutions, Chairman Dr. Ram Kishore Agarwal ji. His firm belief in values is main source of abilities which gives us strength, courage, conviction, and commitment on a continuous basis. Sir is president of Rajiv Memorial Academic Welfare Society. The desire that has been blazing within Sir from his early days is to hand on the world with a muster of skilled workforce and to make our India a country of genius and masterminds. To fulfill this dream, since a decade and a half, GLBIMR is doing its best through the implementation of cutting-edge technology in teaching learning sequences. Sir has carved out a distinct niche for RK Education Hub in Mathura and Greater Noida with 9 campuses and 1 international school covering all streams. So now taking it again further, when the vision is clear, the results will appear. Keep your mindset positive as you work your plan. Flourish and always remember why you started.
Please join the other link. Yes, please continue.
One such venerated visionary is our Honorable Vice Chairman, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal, sir. It is again my great pleasure to speak about the dynamic and enterprising visionary, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal ji, Vice Chairman, GL Bajaj Educational Institutions. He is an energetic motivator, young stalwart of business and career, and carries exemplary humbleness. He is a visionary and his path-breaking initiatives have won laurels for GL Bajaj Group at various platforms. He is a youth icon, working selflessly to promote value-based quality education for students. His vision has provided the foundation for translating dreams into reality for young professionals since the last 20 years. We are very delighted to share that Sir has been accorded with the honor of Rashtriya Shiksha Ratan Award, we are very fortunate to flourish under his guidance and blessings. And from here, infuse your life with action. Don't wait for it to happen. Make it happen. Make your own future. Make your own hope. Make your own destination. We are fortunate to flourish under the enriching guidance of one such mentor, a man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas. He is an idol of knowledge and experience who is none other than our own Honorable Director, Dr. Ajay Kumar Sir. Sir is a seasoned academician with a knack of entrepreneurial spirit and persistent passion for continuous learning, with an enriching and diverse experience of 3 decades in academics, research, training, consultancy. He has authored books on management and consumer behavior. Continuing his journey to contribute in the areas of research and consultancy, Sir has played a major role as a consultant for top pharmaceutical companies for the launch of products in Bihar, Nepal, and northeastern states. He has organized more than 200 seminars and conferences on diverse issues of management practices. Sir is a practitioner of relationship marketing and an ardent supporter of rural upliftment programs. He has been awarded for his excellence in management education by several national and international bodies. It gives me immense pleasure to invite Director Sir to address the blooming minds today present here on the platform. Please, sir. May I request Director Sir, respected Director Sir, to deliver his introductory address, sir?
Just 1 minute, Radhika.
Yes, sir.
I'm getting connected to the other faculty members for the Zoom.
Right, sir.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of GL Bajaj Institute of Management and Research, and on my personal behalf too, I welcome all the students for this online and virtual induction program 2020. Dear students, all of you know and all of you have been passing through the challenges of COVID-19. I know that for all of you, it has been altogether a different journey for the last 7-8 months, rather more than that. Yes, in India, we have started to realize the spread of this pandemic from March onwards. But this pandemic tried to paralyze our activities and led to lockdown in many states, including the entire country. While we are still in the clutches of this pandemic, all the activities with social distancing and other norms as per the guidelines of Home Ministry has started. We are active now, and we hope that in near future, the classes here, if we talk about the education, if we talk about our institute, the classes also will commence with your presence. Dear students, without having any doubt in your mind, without having any uncertainty in you, without any fear, you must start your journey with confidence and with all positivity. All of you know that challenges are the parts and parcel of the life. It may be seen or it may be faced at different stages. But जो परिस्थितियों को अपने अनुसार ढाल लेता है, उसी के कदम सफलता की ओर बढ़ते हैं। मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि ये एक आपकी यात्रा का, प्रोफेशनल जर्नी का प्रारंभ है, प्रारंभ है, एक नए सफर की साज है। हजार आंधियां आए, उम्मीद है, नई आवाज है। स्वप्न सुसज्जित, दृढ़ निश्चय, संकल्प हमारा राज है। पुलकित, उन्मत्त, आनंद शिखर इस प्राचीर से आगाज है। My dear students, this is a day about you, as here with some excitement and dream to become someone successful in your life. You are here. From today, your journey starts that will define your career in the years ahead. One thing at the very beginning of this address, I would like to assert you that have trust and faith, first in yourself, then in your institute, and all the faculty as well as staff members. We will not leave any stone unturned to ensure a very healthy, very safe, and very rewarding journey, which will definitely culminate into a bright future and good employment for all of you. I would like to welcome you again, and I assure you for all the supports which you will be looking for from us for your academic journey, and through mentoring too, you will find your faculty members a good supportive guardian like your parents, your friend, and excellent teachers also. Thank you very much.